So is that your ballerina outfit she borrowed?
Billy Bell's Halloween costume. It's her Cindy Lauper.
You beating him at any point in the race? Were you beating an 8?
All these orange bibs coming through.
So you won the woman.
I beat him in the warm-up.
You made it.
Okay, that's all that counts. That's the one that really matters.
I did a stride when he was standing on the start line, so I was in the lead.
Okay, that counts. I think we can count that one. Open job, man.
Thanks, you too. Hey, happy $400, man.